Hello friends, my name is Mubashir Hassan. You know that we want to live a joyful life and it is very necessary that we keep ourselves in joy. But sometimes it happens that we get stuck in a thought that becomes very difficult for us to get out of it. So this kind of state really prevents us from going into joy. So I have a very beautiful tip for this. For example, I have a thought that I am not good enough and any other negative thought like that. How can I get rid of it? Very simple. When we distort the sound, the voice in the head, the thought loses its intensity, its grip. For example, I have a thought that I am not good enough, I cannot do this, or anything like that. How can I distort this voice in my head? I have a sound in my mind of a cartoon, Donald Duck. Now the Donald Duck sound is very funny. Any sound that is funny and ridiculous can be used for this purpose. I take that Donald Duck voice and repeat that thought with that voice 4 to 5 times or even more than that. And when I repeat this in Donald Duck voice, that I'm not good enough, I cannot do it, after 4 or 5 times repeating it, the thought is not that heavy. The thought has lost its grip. And now the feeling shifts with this. Do it and tell me in the comment if it works or not. Thank you very much.